Well, the Red Cross and Swiderra Township Fire and Rescue are partnering to save lives.
Firefighters installed free smoke alarms in homes today and discussed safety tips with families. Andre Thomas Jr. went along and he joins us now live in the newsroom with more. Andre.
Alicia, Valerie, the Sound the Alarm event helps keep families safe, but also get firefighters out in the community to meet the people that they're protecting.
It's very important. Your chances of dying in a house fire are 55% lower with smoke detectors present and working in a home.
Volunteers and members of the American Red Cross and Swiderra Township Fire and Rescue Team are installing free smoke alarms for families in Paxton and Swiderra Township.
It's a day that we get to actually interact with the community and make their homes safer. We know that not everyone has their own health of their smoke alarms top of mind, so being able to provide that service for free in communities in central Pennsylvania every year is really, really important.
The Sound the Alarm event is part of the National Red Cross Home Fire Campaign, and it has helped save over 1,800 lives.
7 people die every day from home fire. So that was kind of the problem that was identified, and the Red Cross is trying to provide a solution to it. So this campaign was launched in 2014 with the goal of helping families be safer, have escape plans, and have working smoke alarms. Volunteers
walked through neighborhoods going door to door asking if smoke alarms are installed and offering to install them if not. Although some had their own alarms, they still provide tips on how to be safe.
This is just as important as, you know, the men and women that get on fire trucks and go out and respond to incidents when we have to. This will save lives, and it will reduce property damage.
Now, according to the U.S. Fire Administration, since 2012, there have been a 5% increase in house fires, which makes today's event even more important. In the newsroom, Andre Thomas Jr., ABC 27 News.